Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Evan with the 997 Turbo build. I apologize for the delay. It's been a little crazy around the shop, waiting on parts and a lot of other stuff. But anyways, I've had the car here for, I think it's probably been close to a month now. Been working on it off and on. I haven't had much time, but I'm trying to really get going on it now. I've got a lot of the front stuff put together right now. Some wrap on there because we're going to be doing the install of the subframe today, but all the carbon canister, the wiring harness I've got ran to the front here, pretty much all the way around, and out the sides. It comes out the sides. I got the fuel tank in there, fuel pump, brake, booster, master, ABS pump. Majority of the stuff in here. I am still missing, like I said, this car did not have AC in it, so I am waiting on a few lines and stuff to come in for up here, and of course the battery tray and some other miscellaneous things. Inside I've got majority of the harness kind of where it's going to be. Got the dash bar in there, the heater box, pedals, wiring harness ran, for the most part how it's going to be. And then main holdup has been waiting on parts for the center locks and stuff like that. So I finally was able to source a set of hubs and coils from a RS. So we got those on. And then I figured, so whenever you do this car, the subframe and everything, when it's out, it's best to go ahead and do the sway bar. So we want to do adjustable sway bar, so call it tear it. Got the tear it sway bar and end links. So it's all adjustable now. And the end links have to be changed because on the GT3 hubs, it's totally different than the turbo hubs. And the sway bar link actually goes through and holds the coilover onto the hub. So we've got that in there. Going to be running these coilovers for now. There's factory GT coilovers with some H&R springs on them. I just want to get this on the car and the car on the ground. So for the time being, we're going to just run these and then figure out, what step we want to do, whether that be like an Owens road and track. Maybe Bill seems tried and true, but we'll see. But I got the knuckles in there really dirty, so I sent them off to my guy. Had them blasted, that way they're actually clean going back on. Like I said, it's all center lock now. We will be doing control arms and stuff as well, but for right now, we're going to rock what we got. Get the subframe in the car, that way the car can be on the ground. Keep moving along. We are replacing all the rubber, so these hoses are much easier to do outside the car. So these hoses are on there now, so I can get bolted in. Got another box of hoses over here. And then I was able to source a set of RS wheels for the time being. Sent them off to my powder coater. Got them powder coated satin black. They'll kind of be the the wheels for the car now for it to roll, and if they look good, they look good. We'll rock them for a little while until we figure out what exactly we want to put on the car, whether that be a BBS wheel or something like that. Same for the rear. We got got them cleaned up best they could. Factory coilover system for that too. So try to get that put in there as well. But today, really focus on just getting this front subframe on the car, some basic shrink wrap to keep it. The coilovers actually like to bounce around and hit stuff, so trying to avoid any kind of dings and scratches, kind of protect it a little bit. So yeah, we want to get this up there, get it bolted in, and be one step closer to getting on the road. We got the front subframe in, except for one bolt. This one right here going through the control arm. It's kind of getting late today, so I want to come in tomorrow and might run a tap through there, maybe something out on the threads or something. I'm not quite sure. Everything else threaded in fine. So tomorrow I'll probably get everything tightened up here, get the strut mounts tightened up, and the front will be pretty much together as far as that goes. And then we'll move on to the rear, get the rear knuckles bolted up, the rear subframes bolted in, kind of the final bolt in, torque everything down. 2 side radiators, the front radiator, run the AC lines through the fender well, and they shoot back to the back, and then run the lines that go across the driver's side and keep going from there. So hopefully next video will be a little bit sooner rather than later. Yeah, look forward to kind of seeing the progress and hopefully have this thing on the ground in the next couple of weeks and keep rolling on it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.